First impression ko kay Ash, super bright and smart. At the same time, medyo maldita kasi maganda siya. Sobrang galante kasi ni Ash. So, para makapag-exam ako that time. Para makapag-exam ako that time, sinagot niya yung like pang-bayad ko ng enrollment para makapag-exam ako. So, yun. Para makasabay ako sa kanya.
Ang sinasabi ko lamang po simula sa araw na ito, Patrick and Charlene, priority na ninyo ang isa't isa. Malinaw. Pangalawa, marriage requires cleaving in permanent relationship. Patrick and Charlene, as husband and wife, you need to know that your commitment to each other is an irrevocable and permanent bond. The word cleave means to glue, to join, to stick. Dimdam yun yung glue. Magdikit. To stick to. Kahit kailan hindi kayo pwedeng maghiwalay. From this day on, the both of you will get stuck with each other. Tandaan ninyo, marriage is a formal commitment of a man and woman to a lifetime union. Remember that always. Lifetime, not temporary.
Nasasabik sa iyong paglalambing. Pag di ka nakikita, ang puso ko'y nanghihina. Na para bang pag wala ka,
Bem, may forever ka duo. My forever doubles partner. My forever ka food trip buddy. My partner in crime. We met unexpectedly, not knowing that it will lead to this day. The most beautiful part is, I wasn't even looking when I found you.
Huwag ka lang umalis, huwag ka lang lumayo.
It all came natural. Walang nagpumilit sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, it fell into place. Hindi rin ako naniniwala na nagkataon lang to. Kasi alam kong ako talagang nakatadhana para sa
Huwag mo yan sasabihin.
Pero actually, masaya siya ngayon kay Pat.
I always say to our friends that you're the one who saved me. You met me at my lowest and what I consider to be one of the darkest chapter in my life. You stood by me that time and never left my side, and for that, I am truly and very grateful.
Sa pagkaasawa, anak, kailangan hindi lang dalawa, tatlo. Husband, wife, at saka si Lord. Gawin yung sentro sa inyong pagsasama si Lord sa araw-araw para ang lahat sa buhay niyo maging maayos.
Pasasalamat ko na magaling ako mag-Valorant. Dahil kung hindi, wala tayo dito ngayon. Thank you for always being there when things get rough. I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Ikaw ang una at huli kong gustong makita sa araw-araw. I love waking up to your kisses and your morning breath. Thank you for the never-ending support since day one. Thank you for being my safe space.
Congratulations, anak. I love you.
And kayo sir Pat.
Alam ko naman, napakabait na manugang yun. Hindi yan pababayaan ng aking anak. Salamat.
Window mo to Know that your presence in my life is the greatest gift and I will treasure it always. Today, pledge to learn and grow with you, to embrace change as it comes, and to be your constant companion on our ever-evolving path that we walk together. I promise to be your best friend, your biggest fan, number one supporter always, and to always listen and compromise, and as we go through our journey together. Hindi na masyadong titigas ang ulo ko. Pwede, minsan.
Nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, binago mo lahat. Pati ang aking mundo. Binigyan mo ng ngiti at ligaya ang buhay. Pangako ko sa'yo na hindi kita iiwan. I promise I'll show you every day just how lucky I feel that we're doing life together. I promise to love you and always be by your side through all of the ups and downs.
Nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, lahat, pati ang aking mundo, binigyan mo ng ngiti at ligayang buhay.
I promise to never leave your side and to defend you. But I will choose you every day, celebrate you, and love you with a depth that knows no end. I can't wait to do life with you. I love you enough.
I promise to protect you from any harm and know that you will never have to face the world alone. Together, we will build a home of our own. I promise to love you for the rest of the days of my life. From this day forward, I will be proud to be your husband and your best friend.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you.